Good morning, children. In the previous class, we learned highest common factor or a greatest common divisor. Today, we are going to learn lowest common multiple. The lowest, or we call it as the least. The lowest common multiple of two or more given numbers is the lowest of or smallest or least, whatever you want, of their common multiples. Example, if you are writing multiples of 12, if you want to write the LCM of 12, first list out the multiples of 12. What are the multiples of 12? 12, 24, 36, 48, so on. As we said in the earlier classes that multiples are infinite. Multiples of 18 are 18, 36, 54, so on. Here the lowest means smallest means common among these two multiples is 36. Hence the LCM of smallest means we will move from left to right side. So least common multiple or a least common multiple or LCM of 12 and 18 is 36. So whenever you observe, the highest common factor will be smaller than the given two numbers, but here least common multiple will be greater because they are multiples. They will be greater than the given number or equal to the given number. So one more method to solve LCM is factorization method. This is a listing. So same numbers, when you say prime factorization, 12 and 18. Say 12, 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 2 9s are 3 3s are 3 1s are. So how you will factorize? 12 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. So 18 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. So in first question, 2 is repeated twice and 3 is repeated once. So 3 is multiplied one time. So mark it like this. And in second 18, 2 is written one time and 3 is written twice. So here we are going to write the number which is repeated maximum time. So 2 is repeated one time, 2 is repeated two times. So we are going to take the greatest number. So LCM is equal to 2 times multiplied by, here 3 is repeated one time, 3 is repeated twice. So 3 2 times. So if the numbers are same, we will take the highest degree, means a maximum number of times the number which has repeated will be taken. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. So this is how you are going to find the LCM by prime factorization. So one more example, if we want to take, just see LCM of 40, 48 and 45. Example, LCM of 40, 48 and 45. Here 40. 2 2s are 0s are 2 10s are 2 10s are 2 5s are 5 1s are 48. 2 2s are 2 4s are 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 6s are 2 3s are then 3 1s are 45. 3 15s are 3 1s are 3, 5 remains, 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are and 5 1s are. See, whenever you want to write 40, you are going to write 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. So here 2 is written 3 times and 5 is written 1 time. And 48, 2 is written 4 times. So directly we will write multiplied by 3 is written 1 time. Then we'll circle it. And for in 45, prime factorizing 45, 3 is written 2 times and 5 is written 1 time. So how we are going to find the factors here? So LCM is equal to 2 is repeated 4 times, so that is a maximum. 2 4 time multiplied by 3. How many times it has repeated? 2 times multiplied by 5 1 time. Hence LCM of 40, 48 and 45 is equal to 2 you are multiplying 4 times, 3 you are multiplying 2 times and 5 1 time. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 54, 54 3s are 36, multiplied by 5 is 720. 15 3s are 45, 45. So if you move from right to left, left to right, answer is same. 5 3s are 15, 15 3s are 45, 45 2s are 90, 90 2s are 180, 180 2s are 360, 360 2s are 720. So this is how we are going to find the LCM. So one more method we learned is common division method. So common division method is example. Common division method to find LCM. So if you want to divide a number and find the LCM of 20, 25 and 30. Take 20, 25 and 30, write commonly and divide. So which is the least prime number? That is a 2. So we will divide it with a 2 first. Yes, 20 and 30 are divisible by 2. 2 tens are. So 25 is not divisible by 2. So we will write it as it is. Then 30, 15. Again we will take a least number, that is 2. Least prime number 2. 2 5s are. So 25 is again not divisible. Write as it is. 15 is also not divisible. Write as it is. So next we will move to the next 5, 25 and 15. They are not divisible by 2. So we will move to next prime number, that is 3. 5 is not divisible. 25 is not divisible. Here 3 5s are 15. Now when you see, they are divisible by 5. 5 1s are, 5 5s are, 5 1s are. So again 5 1 as it is, 5 1s are, 5 1s are. Till you get 1, you have to divide them commonly. Now LCM of 20, 25 and 30 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. So when you multiply, the answer is 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60, 60 5s are 300. So LCM of all these numbers is 300. So this is how you will find the LCM of the given number. So based on this we are going to solve word problems, and based on the HCF and LCM, both the concepts, we are going to solve the exercise 3.7. So exercise 3.7, first question. Renu purchases 2 bags of fertilizers of weight 75 kg and 69 kg. So she purchases 2 bags of fertilizer. One is weighing 75 kg and other bag is weighing 69 kg. Two different bags. Find the maximum value of the weight which can measure the weight of the fertilizers. Exact number of times. So you have to find maximum weight that fertilizer can hold the bag. So here the word maximum. So whenever you read maximum, word makes you to find highest, or it is as similar as the highest. It indicates that you have to find the highest common factor, which fertilizers exact number of times. Weight which can measure means which can divide equally. Hence we have to find HCF of the given number. Solution will write. So whenever word problems are there, we'll write solution. Factors of 75. What are the factors of 75? So the 1, 3, 5, 15, 25 and 75. So what are the factors of 69? Factors of 69. 1, 3, 13 3s are 69. Then 69 ones are 69. So which are the common factors? We need list out 1 and 3. Common factors of 75 and 69 are 1 and 3. And HCF, highest common factor of 75 and 69 is 3. Obviously 3. Hence the maximum value of weight that can measure the weight of fertilizers, exact number of times, is 3. So when you divide the bag into 3 kgs, so 75 is exactly divisible by 3 and 69 is also exactly divides the bag into 3 kgs each. Answer. The maximum value, here only the maximum value of weight is 3 kg, which can measure the weight of fertilizers equal time or exact number of time. Weight of fertilizers exact number of time is equal number of time. So we'll move to question number 2. Question number 2. 3 boys step off together from a same spot. So they start moving from a same spot. So they step together. Their step measures 63 centimeter, 70 centimeter, 77 centimeter respectively. What is the minimum distance each should cover so that all can cover the distance in complete steps? So when they step together, so we have to find the minimum distance, means minimum. Here minimum word indicates least or a least common multiple. So when they are stepping together, the steps are multiplied. Some minimum steps that they are going to step together and cover the minimum distance. So whenever we are finding LCM, common division method is the easier one to find. So here we will find the common division method. 63, 70, 77. So each in centimeters. So shall we multiply with 2? 63 as it is, 35, 77, because 35, when you multiply 35 with the 2, it is 70, easy. Then 3 2s are, 3 1s are. So these are not divisible by 3, write as it is. Again with a 3 7s are 35 and 77 as it is. 7 1s are, 7 5s are, 5. Next 7 as it is, 5 7s are, 7 17 as it is. Now 7 1s are, and 7 11s are. 11 is itself a prime number, so 11 1 1 1. So LCM of 63 and 63, 70 and 77 is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 11. 11 7s are 77, 77 5s are 105, 77 5s are. So when you multiply, the answer you are going to get is 6930. So answer is, hence minimum distance each should cover. The minimum distance each should cover so that all can cover the distance in the distance. So in the question only it is given in complete steps. Is 6930 centimeter. It is in terms of centimeter. Question number 3. The length, breadth and height of a room is 825 centimeter, 675 centimeter, 450 centimeter respectively. Means length is 825 centimeter, breadth is 675 centimeter, height is 450 centimeter. Find the longest tape which can measure 3 dimensions of the room exactly. So here, we have to take a tape which can measure all these lengths, all these measurements like a length, breadth, height. So let us see here. Longest, again it implies highest. So let us solve that. So highest implicate that it is factors, highest common factor. First we will list out the factors of 825. 1 is 3, 5, 11, 15, 25, So just till 11 you can find the factors. Further you have to multiply. 25 how many are? Like that you calculate both the multiplications, you will get the numbers. Then 33, 55, 75, 165, 275. You divide each number with these, you are going to get all the factors. 825. Just a easy method. 825 are 825. 275 3s are 825. 165 5s are 825. 75 11s are 15. 55s are 25. 35s are till 25 you can find. So just divide and you will find both the numbers. So factors of 675. 675. What are the factors? Again 1, 3, 5, 9, 15, 25, 27, 45, 75, 135, 225 and 675. Next factors of 450. It is easy. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, 15, 18, 25, 30, 45, 45 tens are then 50, 90, 150, 225 and 450. Just you calculate in a space you are going to get. So now let us circle the common. 1, 3, 5, 15. 9 here it is not there. 25, 45 is not here. 50 is not there. 75, 90 is not here, 150 is not there, 225, and now it is different. So what are the common factors? Common factors of 825, 675, 450 are 1, 3, 5, 15, 25, 75. So which is the highest common factor? Highest common factor of 825, 675 and 450 is 75. So the length of the tape or the longest tape which measure all these dimensions is 75. The length of the tape or the longest tape which measures all the dimensions, which measures all the dimensions, means all the dimensions means here length, breadth and height, is how much it is? 75 centimeters. 75 centimeters. So this tape will exactly measure all the height, length, breadth and width. So in next video, let us solve the remaining problems. Thank you.